buddy Bob Harper, and we're going from my favorite butcher, Ray,
Yep.
to my favorite mechanic, even though I don't do anything or know how to do anything on my car.
Me either.
This is my friend Audra. She's from Queens, and she is amazing.
Are you going to teach us a lot today? Because I need to learn.
But you do drive, right?
I do drive.
A lot of New Yorkers
I love
don't
to
have
drive.
licenses, but he drives. So these are things we should all know if we have a car.
Absolutely. Tires are your car's first line of defense on the road, and they're like the shoes on your feet. And you want to know if they're too old or if they have any holes.
A very important point. And I love how she brought in the shoe analogy,
I
because
like good
I'm an
shoes.
Italian. You got to have good shoes.
I like good shoes.
You got to have good shoes.
And you know that costs money, good shoes.
Is that a great tip right there, Audra, that price does matter when it comes to tires?
They're expensive. They also last a long time. So
Gotcha.
if you correlate them to what you pay for a good pair of shoes,
Right.
you get a lot more miles out of
a
a
good pair of shoes, right?
No doubt.
Okay, so what are we going to learn with these tires?
All right, Bob, help me out.
All right.
Let's pick it up. Flip
This
it over.
he knows how to do.
I can pick up things.
Okay. On every tire, there's like a storybook, right? You have like your shoe size.
Your shoe size.
And you have when the tire was born. So right here.
Oh my God, a
2011.
tire has a birthday?
It does.
Look at that,
That's
2011.
smart. I would think you would want to know these things, right?
So the way that you read it is the 20th week of 2011.
Oh, I gotcha.
Oh, okay.
See
Gotcha.
that?
Gotcha. So it's
Okay.
not 2011, it's the 20th week of 2011.
Correct.
Gotcha.
And every tire has it.
Cool.
So every tire has a birth date.
How often should you be changing your tires?
You should change them when the tread is not wearing evenly, when the tread wears down, if they get too old, or if there's dry rot, or like
Yeah.
we're talking about, holes. When
So
there's any,
if your tire starts to get
That's not
acne,
good.
it's ready to go.
yeah.
If it looks okay, can you keep driving it until it starts to look worn?
Good question.
Or
Well-
should you say no more than 4 years or 5 years?
Right. Keep your eye on it.
Okay.
And if you start to see that it gets dry rotted on the side, if it's getting cracked or brittle or has any holes in it, that's when you want to
That's the
replace it.
time to go.
Absolutely.
Out.
So come take a look.
Okay.
Okay. So right here,
Can you see?
Yep.
you see inside here, you see these little nubs?
Yeah.
Okay, that's called the tire wear indicator. So you don't have to be a mechanic, you just have to be
Cool.
observing. We're going to check the air pressure because that's also really important to make sure that you have it inflated properly.
Is that the PSI?
Yes, it
Look at
is.
me.
Yeah, we know. We know how to do that in upstate
Whatever.
too. Yeah,
PSI.
especially in the winter, right? Because the pressure can go down because of the cold.
Absolutely.
Look at me!
You're smart.
Yeah.
All right, come closer.
Okay.
We're checking tire pressure. And
In
we
that
got
little
the
hole there.
Yep.
tire pressure gauge. Hardest
Little
part
hole.
is not to lose the cap.
Okay.
Try it.
Cool.
Put the gauge on and then read it like a thermometer.
35.
35.
Right on.
Right.